po bjatsi ngibukhan baseche gifwe bia na gifwe bia sure long as the pain shield takes over your long
I can tell you now we gonna be famous.
Hey, get it. Oh, Tiba Juan Cho, Tiba Juan Pro. Hey.
I can tell you now we gonna be famous.
I kulunyelwa emlilweni. I kulunyelwa emlilweni. Tula.
I can tell you now we gonna be famous.
Manongo, kilo, jag, kurani, fame.
I can tell you now we gonna be famous.
Manongo, kilo, jag, kurani.
Hey.
Manongo, kilo, jag, kurani.
Hey.
Simpiwe, kasi rap, Aintlek.
My brother.
These Aintleks, automatic. What was this Aintlek lifestyle or Aintlek movement about?
Aintlek firm, Aintlek, ne?
Yeah.
No man, you know, Aintlek is just a township slayer.
Yeah.
So, jalo vele customers could like, Aintlek mfani ata, Aintlek. So, you know, very you have to have something which is very catchy, you know?
Yeah.
So when I came, I'm an Aintlek, you know? No, I can make something out of this Aintlek thing.
Yeah.
That's how I came up with this Aintlek firm brand, you know? Yenza ikipa, yenza makepisi, yenza mabag. I was doing a whole lot of things as an Aintlek.
So you the one that initiated it?
Yeah, that's my idea. That's my baby.
And you got syndicated on the entire firm on some Aintlek.
Yeah.
Remember the bongo?
Yeah, you remember that? Everyone was like, "Ban Aintlek." Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
And how many people were there?
We started
at the peak.
See, it was like 8 of us, I think. Yeah, because it was a rapper, poets,
yeah,
beat makers, you know. So it just we were.
You were another version of Deep Soul.
Yeah. And we were young, we were hungry. Yeah, so we were doing it.
Okay, before singing, where have you been? What has been going on? What are you doing?
Hey, yeah, I've been a father, you know. Been raising my child. Yeah, man, because, you know, music will say over. You know, I'd go to my shows, come back nothing, it's very demanding. Understand, so it was tough. So I had to look for something. Then I was told I get a call center. Call center sebenza ngama earphone, you know, recording. So I'm going to le money thing ishwayele ku recorder, you know. So no matter how mangikhuluma lapha efonini proper bayazitela umuntu lo. So that's how I grew my call center, studied further, thola my qualification. That's how manje like ngibulala lapha kuma call
washaya voice projection.
Lapha ya ngiyabulala kabuhlungu. Ikhola mawulizwa nje lama ngikhuluma nawe efonini ngikufonela ethatha ipolice awazi ukuthi usimpiwe.
Yeah.
Shawuza ngathi ukhuluma nelinye ikhotmane lamatana masuthi lapha ema-office na yipi. Kanti no, it's me, I understand.
So i-rap ngamanye amagama you guy ama-wins.
Definitely.
In that sector.
Definitely, because that's how yabona ngijwayele ukukhuluma nabantu. I understand. So ukukhuluma nabantu like it's easy for me. Selling those things selling policies it's not that difficult. Because I'm used to selling well, I understand. I was selling music, into engekho easy ukuyithengisa. So I'm a police, abantu bayawuthenga I'm a police.
So umculo wokulambisa.
Too much. But then I saw ukuthi ayazini, ngathola nje ama-funding nyana, nangapha kuzoba right. You understand? So that's what I've been working towards. Thole nje lama fundings. Then fund nje yona le Aintlek firm so that it can continue helping a lot of youngins ukuthi nabo babe right again, you understand?
Yeah.
Because when I was in it, started nothing, but you understand after that they still had that drive, they still pushing. You understand? Uzinini ngibukela i-TV lapha ngibona khali soundtrack lakhe.
Yeah.
But advertiser some poor VW I think. So ngithola that thing like at least you know we have something.
You started something.
Yeah.
And the potential remains.
Sure, it does. Even now one thing even back then namanje when mangathi asiyeni now I know ukuthi even now you so let's move on in 11 heavy.
Yeah, and then how is fatherhood now? Is it bearable now? Fatherhood since Uspan?
Yeah, now it's way better. That's why I wanna mind at least I can rest there. buya ngapha ku music kwami yabo,
Yeah.
focus and then just push nje ngapha. Because now it's possible now. It's easier.
Yeah.
Safani nakudala at least isekhona something khona funding yabo.
Are there no days when you're at work and you feel like, fuck it, I'm leaving. Out. Back to my music life. This is...
There are days, there's a lot of days where you feel like that, you know. But actually, it depends now, because you start studying at the call center, and then I grew manje sengise teleshow is very big, so on live. So lapha it's the highest level, yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
So lapha it's more relaxed, it's more chilled environment, it's more workable. Akusena le pressure le yakudala man. Like
targets.
Yeah, ama target heavy na lapha you work with your own pace, usebenza nje because ufuna ukusebenza. You understand? Usebenza actually you signing your own check. Mawufuna ukhola uzosebenza. Mawungafuni angenda akusaba abakuforced.
Okay.
So it's better.
Ngiyakuzwa masho njalo, but I'm still asking ukuthi, are there not those days when the music thing or the entertainment thing just comes and sits
It
on your
does
chest?
all the time. That's why I know ukuthi mina I'm not destined to in low call center forever. I know ukuthi this is just it's a stepping stone. Mina kahle music ungilindile. You know, mina kahle ngingali music ungimele.
Man.
Kasi rap yangidinga.
Yeah.
I understand, yeah. Mina ngingali.
Uye kuma call center or ku job sector because bobalekela auction management.
Yeah, because I was sengizwile indlala. I understand. It was auction management was enough, so we had to get something. We have to get something out.
Yeah.
I understand.
Suppressing the party in the auction management. What? Explain the concept because this comes from your music, your earlier music.
Yeah.
What is auction management for umuntu selling pop?
Umuntu don't understand auction management means what, ne?
Yeah.
No, auction management means ukuthi usekasi wire you sun engineering wire you hleli kasi like
Sun engineering.
akuhlangana, you understand? You sun engineering usekasi umahlalela.
Yeah.
You doing auction management, that's you.
Mabathi auction manager mhlawumbe uphuma evenda or emesini bathi nayi auction manager ungazi uyathuka.
Yeah, auction manager vele uyimanager la lokishi wazi yonke into eyenzakalayo la lokishi.
Yeah.
Because you in auction management. So well after matric, you know that's what happens. Awubhalisanga, you are on a school, on umsebenzi, hlele auction management. So that's how the song came about.
But it has a scar to the journey of a young African, later show.
True.
Because Mausberger, Soweto is not something that was created for fun or via ubumnandi. Akunabantu abathi hayi no. So Talikasi city Soweto. This was people were demarcated to Soweto. What is it called, Prasfis? What District 6 was Soweto, Alex? When they were moved from Kofifi to Indawo ezifana nalezi. So it was social engineering. That's the word I'm looking for.
Okay.
So this was social engineering. So out of that social engineering yabelungu, now vele amajita sekungama auction manager ngempela. So the tactic actually worked and vele it's perpetuating.
Yeah.
Ibhlungu leyo.
True.
When I uyenza isingoma vele esivaro but mina mase ngibheka from ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Yangidabula.
Ukuthi yeah, this is actually what's happening. We like segregated, bandeke nje lapha.
Yeah.
Esidini ukuthi ahlala lapho.
Which is why sometimes amajita ayenza umculo and they see these things and they can actually crystallize them.
Yeah.
Bagcina baya kuma kuyidakamiswa because ubona inhlungu zonke ezenzeke empilweni.
True. That's why abantu abaningi they can't take it. Like yabahlula riding. Yabahlula riding. A lot even nabantu abaningi esirapha nabo la esithula na. Like umuntu he has all the talent, uncwembu, but it's just not getting that. I understand. Like akafiki lapho. This why bagcina bathi ay ngona ngithatha ama drugs no because I can't angifiki lapho.
Kuncono wena uthi ngcono ngiyofuna isipani.
Ngcono ngiyofuna isipani. Hayi ngcono ngiyofuna isipani ukuthi uthathe enye intekisa phansi futhi.
Yeah.
Ngcono ufuna isipani something at least was ukuthi amase ngisipana no music wami ngizowafford. Because that's what happens. Music akho easy even to ungena nase gaming even namanje akho easy. Especially if umuntu osuka elokishini awuna next vele awuna ndaba izokubhack up, you just hoping a talent yakho you'll get there. It's not easy. We've seen it happen a lot of times. Siyashezi was signed long time ago, since high school, but still even today he's still I understand.
He's still vying for the sport.
I understand, which is, and he had it. Because at some point, Major League, Kesper New Vest, Ricky Rick, you understand, the business.
Yes.
Yeah. We about my business. And Siashiri outshine those guys. But then what happened afterwards? All of them, Baba, Bashine, Patiena, because of your cars. And
Aye, man. Why Mele okay, sibuyela kule ngizobuya kahle kule nqondo ukuthi ngo vele yasekasi, but is it ukuthi vele yasekasi or is it because vele
mina ngitshela ukuthi backup yakhe, understand, awuna backup plan, awuna funding, imagine it right, ine funding, case banyo bese bika right, bekani funding.
Why didn't Siya then see okay, Siya singakhulumi ngo Siya ngoba ke kuspendule, but why doesn't the Siya or Simpiwe ongana funding figure out a way or learn from those kids and actually blow?
Yeah, because it's not that easy even to tweet all funding there.
Yeah.
Because for example, if namanje if ngizofuna ukuthi ngibe nengoma yami right, engazi ukuthi this one is gonna make me blow up. This one is mele ngazi nge 50k minimum.
Yeah.
You understand? Because I tried it. Then the 10k budget. Shine ngoma kahle sa recorder. I paid I think around 2 point something, you know. Mastering, but I do rough.
Yes.
Rough, ambitious, Kaya 3.5, you know, but it wasn't enough because Ingo Miami still, it wasn't mastered to that point.
Yes.
No man it's all I was like, I don't go Maria, it's a short demand and that. So I couldn't afford more than what I've already spent. Yeah, no rough.
I've mastered mali, must master yen.
Yeah, but you guys like when people live, I'm ambitious, master levels Java, and so mina Muban, Mukasi rap.
Yeah.
So you understand how it comes from.
I see.
You do need some type of backup, some type of imalu. So if I had 10k, I'm going to have 10k. For sure, I'm going to go Miami, Yazi, Miami Vile, I'll be fair. But because I couldn't afford to pay that time, that much, then I'm going to pay a little more.
Ratabo, we'll get back to the music. Simpiwe before music. That young nigga growing up in the hood, that young nigga with dreams. What does he wanna do? Where does he wanna be? And how's life?
Yeah, you know, as a young, I mean, what am I good at really? Like being azazi, like I was finding myself. That's my cars. You play soccer, when Zalugu. But then I had this thing, man. That's one thing. They would always choose me. Man, man, work me. That's one thing. When you write, when you must lead the songs. Understand? That's how I ended up becoming a youth leader. Man. That's how this music thing got into me. Man, music. But I mean, I was good more too. I understand. But then when I go to high school, Graveside was around 2008, 2009. It was crazy deep. So it's F easy. Everyone was like there deep. I was smoking and the Graveside was the shit that time. So I went there as in 29. I'm looking at this thing. I'm like, yo, one day Jamangas wanna like stage and I want to buy Zagaji. For me now that would be like, yo.
And you know the rap at that time.
I was in next. I can't even write one line for myself. I don't know nothing. I'm just watching from a distance with yo, you know, Mangas Bonamens. Because there was this young boy and I almost my age, I rap at the stage, but Superilla was smoking and I was like, yo, you know? But then I don't know how it happened. Eventually, it just happened with now, you know, I'm gonna start now trying to write my own songs.
Yes.
That's how it happened. And I was in Metric, I started writing my own songs. I got popular at Pesquela, man. Everyone knew that PPJ, yeah, this Snake, yeah. And then, you know, even worse, Jam Early, you know, and I was still very young, 16, I appeared on Jam Early. That's how I got popular. Then we started football season school back then. We started going to Mawa FM, started going to Abu Kozi FM. You know, that's how we got this popularity. Like, as everyone knew, so, oh, yeah, this is the guy, this is who you think you're going to rap. Oh, okay, yeah.
But it takes hard, yeah?
Yeah, it wasn't an easy route. It's never been easy.
It takes hard to arise and say, yeah, radio, 3 million listeners or 6 million listeners, who calls?
Yeah.
For the love of music, for the love of hip hop.
Do you know
what
Yeah. It was difficult, very difficult back then. But it was nice because it taught us a lot of things. Understand? It taught us to have heart. You know, in life you have to have heart.
Yeah.
Abo Big Zulu, I remember at some time in the Big Zulu, Cozy FM. It's just driving a taxi, you know, it was just an ordinary guy, Makeza.
Yeah.
And he just came out of prison, man. He was in shy police.
Yeah.
But look at him today. Look at Big Zulu today.
Big Zulu, what shall you
I understand.
What shall you point?
You know,
that's a story that nobody has ever heard. Maybe.
no one knows this. Those things, yeah, until I didn't take it back in the days.
Yeah.
You understand?
But
Look at him
he
today.
is, yes.
You understand? Look at him today. He had heart. He wanted to do this so much. He did it. And today he's doing hit songs. He's doing number one songs in the country.
But there is one thing, no pro kid, if we reference to another person. No Sia Shezi, as we say, Wafi. That's one thing that indicates to you. Now, what people can, Kasi rap can actually feature in the mainstream.
True.
So,
It can.
Besides in the because remember when you're talking to me about our Deep Soweto, was like haze.
Yeah.
That time.
Those movements.
Yeah. Those they took hip hop. Yeah. Say North.
Yeah.
Let's say Northern hip hop about English rapper.
Yeah.
By what team? Aisha Jude. They have a family. By Aisha Jude.
Sure.
Kasi rap yaba.
Sure.
Motswako rap came.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Some of time. Sure.
And the Baba they blew bo
Yeah.
Casper no
Okay.
WHP at that time.
And Mulimi.
Yes.
I know those. Yeah.
Singanga.
Toots, yeah.
Exactly. So now when you look, you actually see Rapiki Kasi rap.
Yeah, it is Kasi rap.
So-
Kasi rap par Kaswana Sabon.
Yeah. So Kasi rap yesizulu, Kasi rap spaza. And like when you're talking Pro Kid and Big Zulu, you're talking the highlights. There's a lot of lowlights.
A lot.
And too few highlights. So Ohana guy, for all these cats that you know, I know. Ohana guy besides Tabaya Capital. Because if Big Zulu can find eventually a guy takes eventually I convince someone else or I'm like a PR wise.
Yeah.
Pro Kid actually got into what was the first company at Pro Kid? Yes, Panello.
Yeah, I think before, what was it? I forgot, but I remember it was back in the days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if they could crack through
My,
Catalan,
I forgot that.
Electromode, was it?
Because you used to mention it good album on Zatzachai.
Yeah. So if but wow, Spark sales to be the thing and then some of these cats actually crack the code. Now we're looking at millions now. Kasi
Yeah.
rappers, spaza rappers, blah blah blah. Kaufela bona ba ya mesebetsi. Ke bom rapper who are getting
Eish.
jobs. Ke bom rapper ba bolang ke ditagamiso.
Eish.
Ba bang ba na le baby mama tse kaya ke tse. It's just chaos.
Yeah.
Yet, like we were speaking before we started, yet this is one of the subgenres or faculty lyrical wise is unmatched.
The content, it's crazy.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Rebonaga Big Zulu, Rebonaga Pro Kid.
Yeah.
Those examples.
Yeah.
So if you know it, we put the issue actually aside. What are the things that actually fucked us up?
Discipline sometimes. You know, even discipline goes a long way. These rappers, they don't have discipline. Man, egos, you know. Some of them, they think, no, because I'm Simpio Kasi rap, I'm known near Mokasi, I'm known, so I can just go, I can ban whoever, but you want to someone can go radio. You know that thing, those egos.
Fuck the other side, fuck the other side,
And it's all about me, you know. That thing, you don't have cowards too much.
And in the end, there's no side, you fucked every other side.
Now there's no one
That's how
to plug
we are
it in.
anywhere.
You see, that's the thing. Now you don't have anyone to go to, hey, this is the song, this is what I have. Can you please help me here?
And weight gets around very quick in the game.
True.
Or ntwanela attitude ya gagwe, no.
Are you sure?
Ona. Ba ka ba kia just for your talent sometimes.
When I will like a castle. So that's why I understand. When I look like into saying like
So then it would help you to have your own movements inside Soweto or inside the cars, if
Yeah.
you're from the Eastern Cape, functioning properly, one organization, assisting one another, backing one another. Even if we beef progressively.
yeah.
Like Kanye and Drake now,
Imagine.
beefing progressively.
Can you imagine that?
Hey, bro. Because there was that time when when I actually got to know you. Cats, you were blazing.
Yeah.
This Soweto and like without
The
Magasiama.
movement, yes.
Yeah.
We even had Kasirep Oktober. Kasirep Oktober was big.
Yeah, that's
Very
what I was talking
big.
about it earlier.
Yeah, we had Kasirep Oktober, we had rappers, we popped out money, we did a show, a proper show, go Jablan Theatre. Bro came through even there.
Yeah.
That
Bro
was
would come.
just before he passed on. He came there.
Bro would come.
He came, imagine. That was a proper show to say now, so it's here we are. You understand?
Yeah.
Minds got together. But then after, obviously because egos, that's how I see the books over only happened once.
And at that time people are shooting themselves in the foot.
Yeah.
Bo piano they are bubbling under.
Yeah.
Bo the current mainstream bo these youngsters bo Nasty C. Bo
So
80s.
these genders.
Yes.
You know. We were the ones to come and say now here we are. Here's Kasirep. Here's what we have. But because it's just that Kasirep even quality itself, you know. We don't have the proper equipment to record proper quality music. Because you do record a song, goes there, I feel like I got radio budget or this song.
But now when I think it doesn't have to go there.
Yeah, that's the thing.
The
See,
internet is here.
Now
TikTok is here.
Now we have our own industry. Now you do it yourself. You have your YouTube. You can post it yourself there. You don't need majors or about promote. You just do it yourself now.
Yeah, and your page go Facebook. There's a little bit engagement. There 500 likes per good video. That it generally means what it is. Probably 50 customers waiting
Potential
to buy something
sure.
from Ainclash.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying?
True.
Ganjalo. So hence, when they thought they were rated this particular thing, there's a lot of things that stood in my way.
Okay.
And they're still in my way where we can actually do a good show.
Okay.
Give Kasirep umjovo ngempela, not vex, but COVID ngempela, you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
But those things, myself, I'm battling them forward.
Okay.
I'm not battling them to play one get 2022.
Yeah.
Hence I called you.
Okay.
So I'm saying the reason why I called you as what you are the first person as a rap.
Yeah, I hear you say. Yeah,
that's the pioneer.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying? And thanks
Sure.
for that. So
Yeah.
I'm saying, if only this new industry, like Nollywood did it,
Yeah.
Hollywood did it, but fuck the other side. But fuck the other side, Raberek. We're building our own industry.
Yeah.
Bollywood build their own industry. Kasirap is its own industry.
Own genre itself.
Yes.
Yeah.
So ego, whatever, go and fix that footage you shot around the Kasirap October time.
Yeah.
Around all those time, boom rapper what to Disana wire.
Yeah.
But Disana was not strategic.
It's not, hey.
You know, this one another, but I really share.
No,
Yeah.
we're dissing each other, but the people are coming in. People are actually interested in this thing.
Yeah.
What's happening here?
Let's beef.
Yeah.
But even beef, it will
We know, but it's give us progress, sure.
Exactly. So Nakir, I know fuck off Kasirap.
Yeah.
Kitwa fella lo na your punchlines, your prowess.
Yeah.
Kitwa fella lo na bo Buddha P bo Zinicated bo Logic, bo Sfele kwano. Kitwa fella lo na gidin jati.
Yeah.
These niggas, I can remember Kendrick Lamar, I can't get the same feeling. as
Sure.
you. I can remember
Sure.
J. Cole, I can't get the same feeling as when I'm listening to you.
Okay, sure.
So, Kir, because now if you look, we're sitting here, it's episode number 1. What will happen 40 episodes down the line?
Yeah.
Which is why another rapper will say, I don't want to talk to that messy nigga.
Yeah.
He's garbage. But if you know that there's a plan,
Yeah.
we'll do the workshops, we'll do the blah blah blah, and we'll build towards something great. Probably niggas will embrace. And then number one thing, as you said, is learning, raising the funds.
Yeah.
So this is a comment, but at the same time, there's a question. The question, when you're looking at Bopulo as a musician and you're looking at what's happening in Kasirap, where do you see yourself inside this whole movement? Do you see yourself as a guy who's playing on the ferry or should continue playing there, or do you see yourself as a role player? And if you're going to play a role, what is your role?
Okay, now in this Kasirap thing, because now I've grown, I don't want to be on stage no more and take busy before no. Me, I want to build this proper record company, funding's proper, get my guys, get my friends, these guys are proper, these guys can rap, fund them, put them where they belong.
Yeah.
Take them there to the next level. Just get them proper studio, proper quality, proper music videos. We pay the proper people.
Yes.
Then we're fine.
Russell Simmons.
Yeah, Russell Simmons. Babo,
Yeah.
give on shoot nights.
Yes.
I understand.
Oh, big
Yeah,
man.
that's me. That's me now in this Kasirap game.
Yeah.
That's me. I just want to help the guys.
But earlier on you were saying gore nako nngwe discipline ya gago. So how are you going to deal with such issues? And very that's a serious issue.
Eish.
Ina lo shapa le batho ba le they made it.
True.
Bawe ba khutla.
Yeah.
Back to the bottom. So
Yeah.
how are you going to get it caught to? How should be?
It won't be easy. That's why, in order for me not to crash, I can't start with everyone. I have to have my one artist. Okay, for example, this is Chinaman. Now I'm gonna have to build Chinaman.
Yeah.
Chinaman, this is what you have to be. This is your brand. This is what we're going to make you.
Yeah.
Then as soon as Chinaman Chinaman is going into the right path, then we can get more guys.
Yeah.
Understand that in to say no, this is what's happening. In order for you to be there also, this is what needs to be done. You need to change this and this and this.
Yeah.
You understand? And it won't be easy though. Because when rapper to munka ko kasas na next asalera tabesarwa karona vyo la peta lona vele njari nyu what understand? I know it happens.
Yeah.
But most importantly, I just want to help the young guys coming.
Yeah.
Understand? So that they just don't go through the same path that we went through. They have to get it better than us.
In other words, you are voting for this movement and saying, well, there's still a lot of potential.
There's still a lot of potential. There's still lots of potential. As long as Sansane, South Africa, majority are black, dark, then there's still a lot of potential. Because even the #1 songs now, it's in Venek.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
It's Kikasi rap, anyway. Kikasi rap on a piano beat. Kikasi rap on some other beat. But we're still doing the same thing.
Libo Machitayanos Barre.
Yeah, some of them are rapper. They're focalistic in LM rap. That's why he still raps on the songs. But because it's Yano, we'll just say it's Yano. But the content is still Kasi rap.
Little style yabona as Spanzul, hip hop.
Yeah.
Baba influence like hip hop.
Hip hop.
Through and through.
Sure.
Yeah. A little bit of dancehall there in terms of attitude, but generally hip hop.
Hip hop.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Still, there's still a lot of potential in this thing.
Yeah. Back then, we mentioned a few names what Dipso to GP Gangster, obviously.
Yeah. F-Easy, yo,
H2O.
F-Easy.
F-Easy Dipso
H2O,
you mentioned them in one of your songs for A. Yeah.
Yeah, you remember that song? Yeah, I grew up listening very to what F-Easy, what Dipso, you know, those people, they used to inspire me a lot. Because they're talking about in total relevant, in total more cars. Understand? So I could relate more.
So who are the top 5 for you? Top 5 cats or ladies in if you're thinking of a few lady MCs. Top 5 who you think or hey, Kanakwe, these 5 should be where Pro Kid was, should be beyond. Yeah.
And I've been searching for purpose. I know that this rap shit is worth it, but my grandma hates all of this cursing. I gotta listen to what I say. I need to think before I can say. I do this shit almost every day. Bitches talk about me anyways. I'm getting high and high and higher, and you gotta pull up with Mary Jane. I'm never sipping on pepper drinks, so I be drifting on hurricanes. I can tell you now we gonna be famous.
Hey, kid, oh. Tsiba Juang Cho, Tsiba Juang Bro, hey.
I can tell you now we gonna be famous.